In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature line in Microsoft Excel. This is a useful feature when you need to authenticate or verify important documents within your Excel workbook. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily set this up. First things first, open Microsoft Excel and make sure that your workbook is ready to go. Once you have your Excel file open and you're set to insert the signature line, click on the cell where you want it to appear. This is the crucial starting point, so take a moment to ensure you're choosing the right spot where the signature should logically fit in your document. Next, head over to the ribbon located at the top of the Excel window and click on the Insert tab. This tab holds many of the features you'll commonly use to enhance your worksheets. Within the Insert tab, look for the text group. Here you'll find various options, but the one we're interested in is the signature line. Click on it and then select Microsoft Office Signature Line from the drop-down menu. This will bring up the Signature Setup dialog box. In this dialog box, you'll need to fill in some details to personalize the signature line for your purposes. Go ahead and enter your name and title in the respective fields. This information will accompany the signature line, indicating who should sign the document. Once you've entered these details, click the OK button. You'll now see the signature line with a distinctive X above it, and it will appear right in the cell you selected. Now that the signature line is successfully inserted, it's time to digitally sign it. You can do this by double-clicking directly on the signature line you just added. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can right-click and select the sign option from the context menu. At this point, if you haven't saved your Excel file recently, Excel will prompt you to save it. This is a good reminder to make sure your work is safely stored before proceeding. Once you're in the sign dialog box, there are a few different ways you can add your signature. If you're looking for a quick and straightforward method, you can simply type your name in the box next to the X, effectively creating a text-based signature. For a more personal touch, you might choose to click on Select Image, which allows you to insert a scanned image of your handwritten signature. This offers an authentic look and feel. Alternatively, if you're using a touchscreen or an inking device, you can directly sign on the screen, which brings a nice personal touch to your document. Finally, after you've added your signature in your preferred method, click Sign. And just like that, you've added a signature line to your Excel workbook. This little feature can significantly enhance the professionalism of your documents, ensuring that your worksheets not only contain accurate data, but also verified authenticity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.